everyone, it's Lana Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Excuse the background noise. My husband is outside cutting the grass because it's a beautiful day today. It is Easter Sunday, and I'm gonna be doing a full get ready with me right now. We've been on quarantine. Boo. But it's needed. So we've been on quarantine. So I felt like today it's Easter, and I usually would be getting myself together for Easter and being, dressed up and going to church and going to eat with the family. But it'll just be us three, my husband, me, and my daughter. So I still wanted us to get dressed up, maybe take a few pictures. My husband might not, because he's not the big on pictures type person. But me and my daughter will, and just a good reason to kind of get yourself dressed up for quarantine, because haven't been able to go anywhere or do anything. So I'm gonna get started. I already did my hair back there. I don't know if you can see it, but so I won't be doing a whole video on that, but I'll show you a little bit of what I did. All right, let's get started. So I have a love-hate relationship with Fenty Beauty's foundation. I started out not liking it, but now I really do like it. I like the way that it oxidizes on my skin tone. At first it does come out where it seems like it might be too dark for me, and it wasn't really mixing in well. You have to really blend this out because you can tell if it's not blended out correctly. That's why I do like to use a beauty blender. It does dry pretty fast, so you also do have to work with it pretty quickly, but I do like it. It really gives my skin, I feel like it gives me a little more melanin. It makes me look more bronzy. I like the concealer now. I didn't like that concealer at first either, but I'm really feeling Fenty. Riri, I'm loving this. So this is my RPG show wig. I've had this for probably about 2 years, and I love this wig. It's probably one of my favorite wigs. It's so easy, just easy to style, easy to wear. The lace is awesome. I just love it, but you'll see how it looks in this video and how it turned out. It's just super easy. I did previously curl majority of it. I just was showing you all how I ended up styling the rest. Here's a closer look at my hair, and I feel like my whole ensemble came together really nice. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.